We got 3 frigates bombing right in front of us.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about how to fish on the frigates to get more mahi. We're going to break down exactly what to look for when you're scanning the horizon, how to approach the birds without spooking the fish, gear and techniques that'll help you land more mahi every time you're out. If you've ever seen those birds diving and wondered, is it worth chasing? Spoiler alert, it is. And I'm going to show you how to make the most of it. Let's get into it. Grab your life jackets and hang on and welcome aboard.
They're fighting over it. Somebody got lunch and the rest are fighting it. We just ran through there and they started blowing up right behind the boat. Where's the other one at? 'Cause 2 of them were fighting and then they get off the bait. They're off the fish at that point.
Okay, now they're right here, Matt.
All right, they're right on the edge of that rip current.
Okay guys, on today's show, I have some special guests. Andrea, Dustin, and Jason, all the way down from Minnesota. As you can see here, I've got the radar running. This is how we picked up those frigates. It's really important to have a designated spotter keeping an eye on the birds once you're out there. We take turns on the boat, rotating who's on the fishing rod and who's on bird duty. In this clip, Andrea's on bird duty. She's doing a great job keeping us on track.
Where are they?
Right here, Matt. There's all 4 of them.
Okay, we'll bring the lines underneath them. They might be on tuna because we'll see.
Right here.
Now if that long one gets hit, we got to run the short one to the other, so we got to swap them on where they're at. Just be ready.
Oh, it's right on the top.
Come on. Jason, I got to pitch a little right. Tell me if I need to spin the boat up because I don't want to get her in that rip current. Okay. Where did we catch him? Right on the edge of the rip current.
Still hanging here.
You guys keep watching him?
Yeah.
Okay guys, you can see the frigate flying overhead here. Andrea's working the mahi on the rod. Jason and Dustin are keeping an eye on the bird, and I'm on the helm driving the boat. Everybody's locked in and doing their part.
If I slow down a little, we're going to see if we can get him. See if he's got anybody following him. He might have to come in on this side, Jason. Okay. The other one. Okay, pick the rod up and point the rod tip out. He's going to come on this side. He's got to come on this.
All right, guys, captain's tip here. When you're reeling in a mahi, pay attention to which side of the boat the fish is heading toward. If the hook's in the right side of the fish's mouth, he's going to pull to the left. They always pull away from the hook. If the fish is facing the boat, the direction he's going tells you where the fight is headed. Trying to drag the fish the other way makes things tougher. It's just easier to flip-flop the rods, guys, versus try to fight and turn the boat, to stay with the fish.
Look at behind us! Look at behind us! Look at behind us! Yeah. All right.
Holy buckets.
Hang on.
And there's the frigate, too.
Yeah, he's coming in on it. He's getting in on the action. Hey, he's pretty right here. Look at the flyers. Look at all the flyers jumping.
Oh, look at him.
It's getting sunny. They're getting active. Where's the other birds boogieing to? There's one right here.
Right here.
There's a bunch back here.
Jason, see if you can get that fish on hook so we get that other line out here. Get fish on, fish on. Get that other line out. Can you get it out, Jason?
I'm working on it.
It's easy, Dustin. Easy. Easy. You still on?
It's on there.
You got off on you.
Oh, they're jumping right out there.
Yep. Are you on? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Just this.
Lock it up! Lock up the drag! Damn rookies! Alright, nice and easy with them, just nice and easy. Go ahead, pull the rod out of that holder.
I was letting line back.
I see, you just keep explaining yourself. I'm just gonna leave yours out, Jason.
Yeah.
Somebody watch the frigate.
I lost him, but I got the two.
He was just up right.
Oh, there he is right there.
Okay, guys, Dustin was burning the rod back when a Mahi piled on it. Poor guy didn't know what hit him. We had to give him a little bit of razzing on that one. Meanwhile, check out Andrea doing a fabulous job keeping track of the frigate while Dustin's working the fish on the rod. I mean, that's teamwork right there.
What happens? He's hooked in his left side of his face. He's going to pull away from the hook. He ain't coming back. So if they're going to one side, you'll see when you get up here, the hook's in his left side of his jaw. Right, tip out.
Are you watching the
Frigate's right there.
All right, keep watching him. Get this guy. All right, watch it. Let's keep it down. Stop right there. Stop right there. See if we can follow. Okay, watch it out so we can get the motors. Feel. Not following.
See the frigate, Nolly? I got the frigate. I got the frigate, yeah.
This guy's short. You under the seat, I got a hook outer, Jason.
Yep, got it.
Got a blue handle. Yep.
2 frigates. You see him, Jason? There's 3 birds right out there. The frigate's the top one.
All right,
Yeah.
I'll spin around and we'll put the other one back out.
Okay.
Hey, hold on. Where are the frigates?
Right there.
Yes, Matt. See it?
I'm going to spin that way, so you're
And
going to
there's-
have to switch them rods around to get you.
There's those other little chickens right under the frigate going in and out.
Okay. Got the short on the left.
Yeah, because I got the long. Yeah, just so we can get it out there.
Okay, guys, when I'm on a bird, a floater, or anything like that, I only run 2 rods back. And here's why. The first rod goes out to about 150 feet. I'll tweak that a little depending on the conditions. The second rod goes almost double that distance. Now watch how fast I turn the corner here. I can literally burn the turn, spin back around, come right back on the line without wasting time. This setup keeps you tight on the birds and right where the fish are. When you're chasing Mahi, running 2 lines instead of 3 or 4 lets you turn sharper and faster. You can pick up the boat speed just enough to keep the lures tracking right and stay locked on the school. With 3 or 4 lines in the spread, you need a much wider turn. That often means you're going to drift off the fish, less time on the bite, more time resetting. With 2 rods, you're agile, fast, and right in the zone constantly.
All right, watch them. The frigate's 30 yards in front of us and that chicken all over. Don't reel. When he's peeling, you ain't reel. Look at the Mahi going sideways through the spread. You on? Everybody on?
I got him.
You see that one go airborne? That was cool.
That clicker was out.
Airborne Mahi. Jason, yours is coming this side. He ain't gonna come back around.
It's really little, man.
He's still get him a little in the box. Here, bring him over to the side. Yeah, come underneath.
Yeah.
Get the hook outer. That's a little guy too.
Henry's little surface.
This is hooked in the same. So you see this? He's hooked in his right side.
Okay.
He's pulling against the hook. He ain't coming back over here. I'm going to pop this guy loose.
Yeah, he's.
Andrea's your little one too. If they're little, we're gonna just leave them because they school by size. We'll just keep hooking it. Right tip out.
That was a little
Right
better.
tip out. Bring it in here.
Anybody watching? The frigate's right there.
Good step right.
Stop.
Stop. Squeeze around. Box open. Yep. Okay, we'll get back out on them. Let's return the boat first.
Yeah, right there.
Pop it in the rod holder.
Oh, they're jumping back there.
Yeah.
Get him! Get him, Jason.
Now, is this real? Like, no.
No, you got a big fish on it. No. Oh, you got to skip that now. We just got to let him finish his little run. Just a little bit more. Got some of the kids around. I got a lot of them. Jason, coming this way or what? I don't want to change the boat heading. Okay. Just one drag, no tire out. Look at Jason's belt was first. And if he starts to charge the boat, you gotta let me know. Tell me when you're close enough, I'm gonna bleed out this last one. You see it?
Yeah, it's coming up on time. I think he's a short. Maybe not.
Don't grab the bottom.
I think he's big enough.
He's coming from the real.
Yeah.
Nice one, Noel.
How you doing, Andrea?
You gaining?
Take a look at her reel, see if you can.
All right, Andrea's on the rod now. She's hooked up to something here, guys, and it's just dogging her. It's got pretty heavy, steady pressure. We're all trying to figure out what she's got on the line. Meanwhile, I'm working the boat towards where the fish is running. You can see me turning the right corner here. I'm trying to ease some of that pressure, make it easier for her to reel it in. When you're doing that, guys, you got to be very conscientious of what that fish is doing because you don't want to get any slack in the line that could cause you to lose the fish.
I'm going to neutral. Bring it on up.
More meat.
Everybody see it?
Oh.
I can see the lure off to the right. You definitely got a fish.
Yeah, there's a fish on behind.
You're gonna have to come up here, Andrea. Up this side. Sorry.
Yeah, he's on there.
That's a mine. Yeah. Up here. You gotta come up here. You can't be behind me. Reel him in. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep your rod tip out a little bit. Keep reeling. You got some pretty good weed on there. How big? Alright, slide the line like a piece of keep reeling. Stop.
That's it?
Oh, here's one with some eggs.
Oh.
That's what it was.
Oh my God. No,
Okay, put the rod in the hole.
Take that to the taxidermy.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not helping.
Oh, he's right over us.
Fish on, fish on. That's all right, it's all right. So keep an eye. You can't get them any slack, okay? Don't worry about it too much. Just when you keep going, you got to really reel.
Well, that was pulling hard down.
It's all right, it's all right. Just take your time. We don't want to lose them.
Back to where we started.
All right.
That's a Mahi. It's a Mahi.
Looks like a good one. Yeah, jump, Andrew.
Nice.
He's running right up now. Keep going. He's coming close.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, grab the. You're gonna grab the rod and come through this side of the boat. Okay. Pull the rod out of the holder. Pull the rod out of the holder. Move to the right. You gotta go to the right.
There you go. Swing it your way.
Rod tip out, and you gotta go up towards Jason.
Yep.
Just lean up against the side.
There you go. Come this way.
Stop. Don't get him in the motors. Ah, shit. All right.
I got it, Matt. I got it. Here, we're good, Matt. Matt, he's right here. I'm just gonna help you a little
No,
bit.
no, no, you're okay. You're okay.
No, keep rolling it. Just don't drop and give him slack. Just swing it right over to me.
There you go. Got yourself a boat.
Woo!
Baxter, give me some line. How's that for a gaff shot? Did I have the camera on? Didn't have that one on. I had the other two on. Let's put the rod in the holder, Jason. Okay, there you go. Yep. All right. Off of this. Nice. Nice little bull. Great job, Andrea. That was awesome.
Now I gotta get Dustin in.
Where's the frigate? Somebody got the frigate anywhere?
No.
Try to find him, you guys.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna turn the boat here.
There he is right there, Matt.
Okay, keep an eye on him, you guys. We're gonna get the... Andrea got my boat all bloody. Look at this. Andrea, what'd you do to my boat?
Okay, we finally got to the floss.
Oh, you're to the floss. You're 150 feet from the fish.
Coming at us.
Yeah, he's coming towards us.
Now this one might be a bigger one, either that or I had the drag too loose. It's one of the two. Just watching the water. Dustin, pull that rod out of the holder now, okay? Left hand above, left hand up here.
Okay.
There you go. Keep reeling. Stand up. Not getting fresh. Stand up against the side. Keep your rod tip out.
I see blue.
You got color?
Nope.
Oh,
It's a tuna. It's a skipjack. Yep. Stop right there. Big skippy. That's what I figured he was.
whoa.
All right. All right. Where's?
He was. I lost him. He dove
Okay.
straight back that way now.
All right. I'm gonna get the boat turned. We're gonna get back on him. Nice. All right, guys. We're on the frigate. That's what you want. You want him circling and flapping his wings. He's over the fish. All right, fish are coming to the boat. Fish are coming to the boat. Watch the lines. He just turned. The fish. There's a mahi in there. Oh, missed one. Drop it back. Drop it back. Drop it back. Okay, hit it again. Hit it. Hit it. There you go. Missed it. Damn it.
Yeah. You seen a fish jump out?
Yeah.
Yeah, he totally missed it. He's watching. That frigate's watching our lines right now. You on? You're on. You're on. You're on. You're on. Just a second. Just let him. Just let me. Jason, how's yours looking? We got one on the. We got one on that rod. Okay.
We're good. Really?
Yep. All right, you can pick it up there. It's another mahi, guys. Another mahi. Look at the frigate. He's right there checking us out. He's like, all right, keep him. Pick up the rod, Dustin. Pull it out of the holder. Okay. And the big thing is keeping tension on that rod as he's coming in. Well, Jason, watch
There's
yours.
2 frigates.
Oh, yeah, we're going to be in a shit show here.
You want me to reel this in, Matt?
Nope, leave it out there. It's a nice fish. Look at him burning the boat there.
Yeah, we got 2 frigates right above us.
I think he's a flipper. Okay, I'm gonna flip him. Keep reeling. Stop. Okay, put the rod in the holder. Just open the bail. Give me a little slack. Put the rod in the holder. All right, where's the frigate behind us? I'll pick up a little speed.
2.
I'm gonna turn the corner. Where are they at? Okay, let me get turned around, then we'll put the other rod back out. That's probably the other boat. Right on. Here he's coming down. out right in front of the boat. He's on the deck, right in front of the boat. He just caught lunch. He got it already. That was cool. Hey, buddy. He's a middle-aged one. Yeah, the white ones are older. He's kind of white spotted, so.
All right, guys, let's talk about finding the birds. If you've got radar on your boat and you're not sure how to use it to find birds, I actually did a video on that. It's pretty solid, and we use that technique all the time. Now, if you don't have radar, no worries. When you're heading offshore, it just comes down to paying attention. Keep your eyes peeled for bird activity, especially frigates. And here's the key. If a frigate is just soaring, not circling or flapping, he's searching. No fish yet. He's not on fish. But if he's flapping, circling, and down near the water, that bird is on fish. You want to lock in and get over there quick. All right, here's something important when working a frigate bird. As you get close, watch carefully the first time you pass by. Try to figure out what kind of fish the bird is on. If it's clearly Mahi, you're good to troll right next to him or right even underneath him. They won't spook too easy. If you think he's on tuna, that's different. You want to swing the boat wide, then have your lures come through the school, not the boat. If you drive the boat straight through the tuna, you'll push him down, and that bite's done. Also, keep in mind, frigates follow more than just Mahi and tuna. They love marlin and sailfish. I've even seen them follow a small pack of wahoo and caught wahoo underneath the frigates. So if you're trolling under a frigate and not getting bit, chances are he's on something else. Maybe a marlin, maybe a wahoo. Pay attention, adjust your tactics, and don't assume it's always Mahi. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps us out. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you're liking the channel and want to support what we're doing, share it with your buddies. We're working hard to grow this thing, and every share counts. This is Captain Matt with Marathon Sport Fishing signing off. Tight lines, and we'll see you out on the water.